All right, watching Guy Fieri with drive-ins, diners, and dives. And the reason I'm watching this is because, he's making me hungry. But I just had actually first soup, so that's pretty good. And took 45 minutes to get down, but I didn't have to put it in a feeding tube. And here we are at 25 minutes till 6. So 5:40, and we are on August 11th on Friday. Gonna be stuck in here until Tuesday. Looks like Tuesday. So good news today. They did an MRI about 10 o'clock, 10:15 maybe. Took me about half hour through there. Doing an MRI of the liver. Comes to find out it's not cancerous as far as the MRI is concerned. It was a cyst on the liver. What great news. So had to let my family know, but still got to do a little bit more testing. Monday they're going to run another endoscopy down my throat with ultrasound. They're going to take some more pictures. They say they may be able to pick up the lymph nodes with that bouncing through and off of the esophagus around it. And if the lymph nodes don't look suspicious, then get a port on Monday and then released out of here maybe as late as Monday night, Tuesday. And of course, we're going to go over the chemo. But I have a feeling they're going to keep me for chemo first round, see how my whole body reacts. So anyhow, this is closed out for Friday. I imagine I won't do any videos, and this is something else exciting comes in over Saturday, Sunday. But y'all have a great weekend, and thanks for all the feedback and comments and support, guys. Really love it, and y'all have a super wonderful weekend. And I think old Bear might have better than a 10% chance. Maybe we got a 50-50. So we're fighting still. And y'all keep producing them movies. Keep it going. You guys are out there, teaching and training. And I'll try to get back in the action. Hopefully, maybe after I get through with all this chemo, probably going to lose a heck of a lot more weight. But right now, we are watching Guy Fieri and kind of enjoying the hospital staff. We're out of here. August the, excuse me, I didn't mean to put my finger in front of there. August the 11th.